What's up, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Octavia.Darling. If you're new here, I create content related to my Locs, lifestyle, health, and fitness journey. So before we hop into this video, make sure you give your girl a like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so that you can join this community of like-minded women. We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers, and once I hit 1,000 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway. More instructions regarding the giveaway will be announced once we get closer to reaching that goal. So y'all, I literally just woke up and I decided that today I wanted to do more so of a reset video because it is Sunday and I'm preparing for the week ahead. I'm going to share with you all my morning skincare routine, also give you all a lock update because I'll be washing and retwisting my hair. So this video is going to be more so of just like a vibe, with like mainly music. Maybe I'll talk here and there, but not as much. However, I do want you all to just sit back, relax, and enjoy.
I've heard new love is so beautiful. Time is what makes it ugly. But time after time and through every turn in this life, I could use some stability. We fly and we fall, but we don't fall apart. Break after break, each piece of my heart. Lovers have come and lovers have gone, but you still feel like right when the whole world feels wrong. They say history repeats itself, but a memory is for the shelf. Well, I replay the moments and years of our lives while I'm praying and hoping there will always be you and I. Tell me, how could two people grow? Rearrange and transpose, but it's always the same. I'm attracted to every way. Your mind and your body could ever change. We fly and we fall, but we don't fall apart. Break after break, each piece of my heart. Lovers have come and lovers have gone, but you still feel like right when the whole world feels wrong. They say history repeats itself, but a memory is for the shelf. Well, I replay the moments and years of our lives while I'm praying and hoping there will always be you and I. Over the years, the trials are brought, over the fears, the you and I, over the joys, the love and the way. you I require more, better than we ever had before. Gon' be home, though I couldn't blame. Basic bottom troll, what do you want greater? I am no wave, be surfing. I show you how to get this pay, will I be stacking? Been in a whole lot of pain, now we laughing. Me and Bang making plays till we crashing. Yeah. Don't need to be on the scene, we are the scene. Dripping wetter from head to toe, lil' baby me. Yeah, I get what's mine. Let's remind them, be my rider. All gas. No way they gon' never pace us. No way they could ever break us. On next, we ain't gonna slow up now. All gas. Stay down even when we not up. No way they could ever break us up. On God, they could only try to keep up. I let it ride when I usually would've rolled out. I know you grateful that I stayed down. We either pass in the past, that's all done now. Glad that we stayed down. We gon' pull up in a whip, start a new trend. Every inch of our skin is the blueprint. Follow the lines. They act like they forget, let's remind them, be my rider. All gas. No way they gon' never pace us. No way they could ever break us. On next, we ain't gonna slow up now. All gas. Stay down even when we not up. No way they could ever break us up. Oh God, they could only try to keep up.
I am so happy with my lock growth. I mean, honestly, you guys, I love it. I love how my locks are flourishing so beautifully. They look nice and healthy. Oh my gosh. How many of you all have been subscribed with me when my locks were like right here? Comment down below, because honestly, you guys, wow. I'm so grateful. Now let's go ahead and get to the retwist.
Yeah, I don't wanna slow down, I don't wanna
wanna slow down, I don't wanna slow down till I burn out. I just wanna live fast, I don't wanna look back and say I could've done more than I did now. Sometimes it can be hard, yeah, it can be hard, yeah, it can be hard when you grow up. People fill you with doubt, you start thinking about what you're gonna do now. But we only got one chance and got one life to live. And it's do or die, gotta make it count. So lose your worries, let your problems go on until my whole body burns out. I ain't never gonna slow down. I ain't never gonna slow down. I ain't never gonna slow down. I don't wanna waste time, I don't wanna waste time, I don't wanna waste time on fake friends. I just wanna get high, I just wanna get high, I just wanna get higher. Sometimes people will try to hold you back from being who you want to. Don't be questioning why, do whatever feels right, find your passion and fight. Cause we only got one chance and got one life to live. And it's do or die, gotta make it count. So lose your worries, let your problems go on until my whole body burns out. I ain't never gonna slow down.
All right, y'all, so I am officially done with my reset for the week. I finished retwisting my hair. These are the results. As you can tell, it looks so good, so fresh, so clean. I absolutely love how it came out. The products that I used in this video will be linked in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. And yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Before we go, y'all, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Make sure that you're subscribing. I see y'all watching. Make sure you're subscribing and you're turning on the post notifications because you may be the winner of the giveaway. Also, make sure you're following me on all social media platforms. You can find me simply by searching Octavia Darling, and I'm sure that I will pop up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have an amazing week, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.